Everybody, how you guys doing? My name's Danny, aka Young Dino, coming at you guys with a reveal today, right? I'm new to the drone festivities, and I'm just getting into these drone activities. I just bought my first drone yesterday, people. I brought the DJI Avata 2, and that is what we're going to be unboxing today. And I'm just doing this to, you know, I'm going to be making a channel with tons of drone footage. Also, um, these are fairly new, and the drone activities is fairly new. And this is a popular brand, if not probably the most popular brand, the most trusted, I would say. I feel like at least. Um, DJI, guys. I'm actually recording this on the DJI gimbal, so shout out to DJI. Like I said, this is my very first drone. Today, I purchased the DJI Mini Pro 4. I have yet to buy it. Excuse me, I have yet to fly it. Um, I have it charging right now, just waiting for everything to fully charge. And it just came to my head. I'm like, hey, I'm actually about to be doing this. So I might as well try to capitalize on this, right? Let's make some videos. Without further ado, we're gonna just unbox this DJI Avata 2. Didn't have the Avata 1, so I can't do a comparison. I'm pretty sure there's videos on YouTube. So if you guys are indecisive on what to buy, um, common sense, go with the newer model, right? Um, definitely. One thing I did hear about these is that the sensors or something are a lot better um, versus the first one, and then the battery life, and I think the range. But without further ado, just a quick explanation of what we're looking at here. We have our extra batteries, and I'm skipping way too ahead. All right, so I actually don't know what the regular, Avata 2 comes with. I purchased the Range Plus or the whatever Plus bag, which comes with two extra batteries and some extra propellers, and I believe it was an extra charger as well. Don't quote me on that. But anyways, without further ado, let's get to it, man. It comes with about four extra propellers, one per each quadrant, extra lenses for the goggles, and those things are amazing. We'll get to that in just a second. The unit, the craft, the Magic Maker, the DJI Avata 2. Very nice, sleek, easy to use, very user friendly motion controller. And it also comes with a spacer, just in case you need extra space for that big forehead of yours. They definitely thought about that. But for the most part, that's pretty much everything that comes with it. It comes with two USB-C chargers, and I believe it came with a converter as well. But that's pretty much it. So now I'm just gonna explain to you guys. It comes with the alley key, of course, for just in case you want to change out those propellers at any time. So now the actual reveal, right? Let me just deep dive into this a little bit. Last night I did take this for a test run for about 10 minutes or so, and this is my very first drone. The most difficult part for me was the landing. Um, it tells you how to do everything. It gives you like a quick tutorial walkthrough when you open this thing, turn it on, configure everything, get everything adjusted. Um, the only thing is that I didn't realize the sensors. So just a quick tip, when you're landing, you want to go low to your landing point so that the sensors can actually pick up and sense that the landing spot is safe. Because if you try to do like me and have this thing just floating, it was like, so I was testing this out in the house. So this thing was like flying like right here. So this is I'm about 5'10", so 6 feet off the ground. You try to make it, you press the button twice to make it land. it probably won't sense the floor. So it's going to tell you that it's not a safe area, even if it's nothing around. And like, it was to the point I literally had moved this whole table and just had nothing here, and it still wouldn't land. And I'm like, dude, what the hell? And then I like manually did it and just lowered it. And that was the thing too. I had to like look on YouTube to like actually figure out how to work this. But it's actually explains it, and I just didn't get it. But it's very user friendly, guys. You guys wouldn't have any trouble with it. I had no crashes, no accidents. One thing to keep in mind, quick tip. I would recommend you guys probably try this in an open area like a park, flat land, and probably with a lot of grass. Um, I had no issues with crashing at all, but I live in a 14-story apartment, and I did this. My test run was at night last night on top of the building, and I actually like flew some distance. I took it low to the ground, flew it around people, and everything, and it was a couple of times where I got lost, and I was worried about if I'm going to find my way back to me. So just keep that in mind, you know. And that's pretty much everything. See if I can let you guys get a closer look at everything here. But it's pretty much is it right here, man. You got your controller, you got the Avata 2, you got your goggles, you got your 3 batteries there, and when you actually unbox it, one of the batteries will be in the unit. I recommend you guys fully charge this thing, fully charge the batteries, fully charge the headset, fully charge the controller. That way you are sure you're not damaging the battery at all. It's running at full optimization and you shouldn't have any kind of trouble, or at least not too much. All right. And that's pretty much it, guys. I will be doing a flying demo, and hope you guys are tuning in so you can guys can see how this thing flies, the quality of the footage, and just like how awesome this thing is, because this thing is super duper awesome. And just again, quick shout out to DJI because they are making some great products. I am recording this on the gimbal, guys, and it is awesome. This is doing automatic tracking right now. I did not configure that, and that's pretty much it. That's all we got. Do me a favor, guys. Smash that like button. Smash that like button. Drop a comment in the section and subscribe, people. If you like drones, if you like drone content, or if you're just interested in getting into it, like I said, it's a new thing. Not too many people are doing this. So it's a good time to get into it, right? Try to capitalize on it, make some content, you know? Tuning out, checking out. It's Young Dino. And you guys be safe out there and stay lovely. Bye bye.